So, everybody, what's George doing?
What's George doing?
He is sleeping.
He is sleeping
Because he's tired.
because he is tired.
William is
William is
shaving.
shaving
His legs.
no.
He is shaving
beard.
his beard. Very good, everybody. He is shaving
He is shaving
his beard.
his beard.
Very good. Evelyn is
Evelyn is ironing.
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 Very good, everybody. Ironing.
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 She's ironing.
She's ironing.
She's ironing.
She's ironing
the clothes.
the clothes.
She's ironing the clothes.
She's ironing the clothes.
Very good. They are
Mason
and Ella
and Ella
are watching a film,
watching a film,
eating popcorn,
eating popcorn,
and drinking juice.
and drinking juice.
Drinking juice.
Juice.
Fantastic. Scarlett is washing the clothes.
The clothes.
No, very good. Scarlett is washing the dishes.
Washing the dishes.
Very good. Scarlett is washing the dishes.
Scarlett is washing the dishes.
Is washing
Is washing
dishes.
dishes.
Very good. So look at this sound, guys. Okay, guys. Look, this sound here. Dishes. Dishes. Very good. So Scarlett is
Scarlett is
washing the dishes.
washing the dishes.
Scarlett is washing the dishes.
Scarlett is washing the dishes.
Now, is Scarlett washing? No,
Scarlett
Scarlett is washing. Scarlett, one or two?
One.
One or two?
One.
Singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular or plural?
Singular.
Is or are?
Is.
Fantastic. So is Scarlett wash or is Scarlett is?
Scarlett
Is
is.
Scarlett wash or is Scarlett is?
Scarlett is.
Fantastic. So attention to the verb, okay, guys? So Scarlett is washing
Scarlett is washing
the dishes.
the dishes.
Very good. Hazel is
Hazel is
taking a shower.
taking a bath.
Now, a bath.
A bath.
Bath.
A
Bath.
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 Everybody,
A
bath.
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 Very good. And bus. Very good. So look at the difference in pronunciation. So here we say bus.
Bus.
And here we say
Bath.
bath. Very important. Bath.
Bath.
Bus.
Bus.
Bath.
Bath.
Bus.
Bus.
Same or different sound?
Different sound.
Different sounds. Okay, guys. So Hazel is
Hazel is
taking a bath.
taking a bath.
Alex is
Alex is
taking a shower.
Taking a shower.
Very good. Lucy is
Lucy is
mopping the floor.
mopping the floor.
Lucy is mopping the floor.
Lucy is mopping the floor.
Very good. Carter is
Carter is
building
building
a wall.
a wall.
Wall. A house.
A house.
Carter is building a house.
Carter is building a house.
The students are
The students are
watching TV
watching TV
and
and
eating popcorn. And eating popcorn.
and eating popcorn.
Very good. The students are watching a TV and eating popcorn.
The students are watching TV and eating popcorn.
Fantastic. Christian is
Christian is
strolling, walking around London.
London.
Christian is strolling,
Christian is strolling,
walking,
strolling,
walking around London
around London
and listening to music.
music.
And listening to music.
and listening to music.
Listening to music.
Listening to music.
Excellent. Audrey is
Audrey is rolling the
Hoover?
Hoovering.
No, hoovering. The rug.
The rug.
Very good. Audrey is
Audrey is
hoovering
hoovering
the rug.
the rug.
Very good. And finally,
And finally,
Lillian is
reading a book.
very good. Reading.
Reading.
Lillian is reading a book.
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 Fantastic. Very good.